Hi everyone and welcome to this new fun video. This video is very exciting because I'll be celebrating 1K subscribers finally after like 2 years of uploading, but I'm very excited.
Oh, we're gonna have a party, a party, a party.
By the time of filming I already have 1.1k subscribers and I'm actually filming this way before I'm gonna upload it according to my schedule, so maybe there will be more subscribers by the time I'm uploading. To celebrate, I'm gonna make a real life cake and also decorate it with frosting, which I have never done before. I don't think I actually ever made a cake. I actually bought separate ingredients and I'll also try to make the frosting myself, and I'm very scared it will fail. As a bonus, because this is also kind of like a crochet crafty YouTube channel, I'm gonna crochet a cake, and I have this little box that I bought at the craft store and I'm gonna use it as a base to crochet a cute little cake with different decorations. And then I can put something inside. By the way, I saw kind of a tutorial video that I'm gonna link in the description, which kind of explained different types of decoration that you can use for your little cake. Yeah, let's celebrate 1K subscribers. I can't believe 1,000 people clicked on the subscribe button for me. That's like such a weird idea. And I'm so thankful for every single one of you to join this little family, or I don't know, that's kind of cringe, this channel. And I'm just so thankful that people actually want to watch my videos because I put so much effort in my videos, and it's kind of crazy to me that people actually want to see it. Yeah, I guess let's get started with the cake. I'm gonna go to my ugly kitchen now. Please excuse how ugly my kitchen is, but it still needs to be renovated. We're still renovating after 3 years of living here, but I think that's quite normal. There is a lot to do. So let's start with this cake. I am very nervous because I have never made a cake before. Why am I so nervous? I don't know. Guys, I already messed up. I was supposed to do like 1 cup of sugar, but I think I did 2 cups, so I'll have to rethink everything. Okay guys, welcome to my messy kitchen. I just weighed everything and I have to say I'm very stupid, so I didn't know cups aren't like one measurement for all different types of foods, like ingredients, so I had to calculate it for every ingredient, of course, and I'm happy I noticed because otherwise the ingredients would be far off when it comes to the measurements. But my kitchen is very messy now. Also, please excuse all the other stuff that is around my working space because I don't have a very big kitchen and we don't have a lot of storage, but I have all the ingredients now. This took a while, you guys. I'm gonna take the recipe now on my phone. Okay, first preheat the oven. By the way, I'm gonna link the ingredient in the description if I don't forget it, so you can make your own cake as well if you'd like. Okay, first the butter and the sugar. I hope this is the right amount, you guys, otherwise I'm gonna be upset because it's so much more sugar compared to the flour. I hope I didn't do anything wrong. Maybe it's just a very sweet cake. I have to say, every time I bake something, the measurements are way off. So I really hope that's not the case this time. Oh, by the way, I left out the butter for about 2 hours before starting because I got this tip from a cooking streamer. Oh my god. Okay, now I have to do 2 eggs. I'm not gonna lie, it looks alright. I'm not really a big vanilla fan, but I think in cake it's fine. Then add it in. I know that camera angles and stuff like that are kind of a weak point of mine. Oh my god, we're almost there, you guys, and then we can put it in our baking tray thingy. I guess everything that's left to do is put it in this super cute cake tray that I bought on Amazon, so let's do that. I have put some butter inside and let's hope it fits nicely. I'm thinking this will be a very small cake though. How will we even be able to decorate this? Oh no. Well, I think it's gonna rise a little bit. Isn't it gonna rise? I don't know. Like I said, I have no baking experience. I'm really bad at this. Let's put it in the oven and then I'll show a little bit of my crocheting. Hi everyone, I am so tired today, but I wanted to show you this. I did this yesterday, so I made this top part and then this side. How I did the top part is I just freehanded this heart shape on top of the lid and then I added some single crochets to create the side part, and then this part is just one really long rectangle. What's happening with my voice? And eventually I think I'll glue the fabric onto the little case, or how do you call it? But first I want to add all the embellishments, and I'll watch that one video that I linked in my description to see which decorations I want to do. But I don't know if I'll do much today because I feel very tired and I kind of just want to play Pokemon. But I think it's already very cute, to be honest. Guys, the cake leaked, I think, because look at that. I'll have to clean that up. But I have so much cleaning to do in the kitchen. And then the cake looks good, I think. I'm gonna let it cool for a while, and then at the same time I was busy with making the buttercream. I kind of hate the colors. I think this color is very beautiful, but I actually wanted it to be red, like dark red, and I don't know, this just wasn't doing it for some reason, so it's like this color, and then I'll use this for the cake itself. I hope all goes well, guys. I hope all goes well. I'm gonna start with this buttercream. Also, it looks more like ice cream than buttercream, I think, so I hope this doesn't completely mess up. Let's apply. It is a very ugly looking color. Oh my god, it's actually going on quite smoothly. I also bought some of those piping bags, but I don't know how to use them. I'll have to look at the instructions. The cake is lifting. By the way, I need this cutting board for dinner today, so I'm gonna have to think about how I'm gonna fix it. I should have just taken a plate, to be honest, and I don't have much buttercream left, so we'll have to do with what we have. Okay, I can still smooth it out a little bit, I think, because it looks so messy. I mean, it probably could have been worse. Okay, let's try this, I guess. Okay, you guys, I tried. Let me try to fill up the gaps a little bit. Guys, this decoration literally looks like poo because it also looks a bit brown and it's very funny. But now I'm gonna add some strawberries and hope I don't ruin it even more. But I think it looks kind of cute. Like, it definitely has its charm for the first ever cake I ever made. So I made these two, I think, puff stitch. Whoa, why does this sound so echoey? What the hell? I'm very confused by this, but whatever. So I made these two, I think, puff stitch chains that I will use on the cake, this on top and this on the side. And now I'm working on a little spiral stitch cord thingy. Whee! I will do many other stitches and decoration that I saw in the video, and I might also make a little strawberry, but I'm not sure yet. But now I'm waiting for Evik to come home, and then we'll go to the supermarket and I'll see how much I can do in the evening.
A few moments later.
Here are some other things I just made. I made this whipped cream and it's so cute, but somehow it took a long time to make and I didn't have enough for more whipped cream, like the white yarn. I made this little fruit thingy, and then some more like leaves, I guess. I don't really know. I think these are more like leaves, but I have no idea what to add more to the cake. So I think I'm just gonna do the most annoying part now, which is sew everything together, which I hate doing. For most of my items I didn't leave in a long end to sew in the whole item, so that's a bit annoying. I'll have to deal with that now. Okay guys, are you ready for the reveal of my cake? Wait, I'm gonna try to make this angle a little bit better. Ta-da! It's quite cute. I'm actually kind of impressed that I did this. I want to put it on a plate though, and I'm kind of scared I will ruin it then. Ta-da! And the strawberries smell amazing. Is the background decent for this picture? I don't know. Okay. This is what a cake looks like on the inside. It's time for a taste test. Mona was already licking my cake I've put on the table for like 5 minutes. Let's do a quick taste test. Mona already tasted it, so I'm not the first one tasting it. And the frosting is very, very sweet, which is normal, I guess. Very nice. Guys, this is the final result of the cake. I hope you can see it clearly. I haven't used glue yet. I don't even know if I will, but this is the result. There's a little gap here. I might have to use glue because there are some gaps, but I really love how it turned out. It's so adorable and it's like a little chest kind of situation. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and you can clearly see I'm a lot better at crocheting than decorating cakes, but I'm still very proud of my cake and it was delicious. So I'll see you in next week's video. I hope you have a good day or night. Bye bye!